say right here and right now is that we all know that every moment in our lives can affect us in different ways. Now I find myself just trying to understand. All we were asked to do is just trust. Trust in the system. Trust in the indoctrination handed down from generation to generation.
This is the Word. This is Christ. You better be feeding on it. This is the food that you store up right now. You store up until you're so strong in faith, nothing can shake you.
Bags are packed, are you ready to go? This time tomorrow we'll be on the road, riding with you in the sunnier days. I wouldn't want it any other way. Home is with you wherever that may be.
Another one?